How to use the Minipresso NS, a step-by-step guide. The first step is to pull the cup from the top of the Minipresso. Next, unscrew the portafilter. Insert the capsule into the Minipresso. Then, screw on the portafilter tightly to pierce the capsule. Make sure the portafilter is as tight as it can go so the Minipresso can extract the espresso from the capsule properly. Unscrew the water tank. Fill the water tank with boiling water up to the line. Screw on the water tank. Unlock the piston by twisting it counterclockwise. Pump the Minipresso to extract the espresso. Enjoy!